In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check page size in Canva. Knowing your page size is essential for printing, sharing, or keeping your designs consistent across platforms, and Canva makes it quick to check without changing anything in your design. Start by opening your project in Canva. This can be any design you're working on: presentations, social posts, posters, or documents. Once your project is open, look toward the bottom area of the editor. You'll see small previews of your pages, often called thumbnails. If your design has multiple pages, they'll be lined up there so you can easily navigate between them. Even for single-page designs, you'll still see one thumbnail. To view the size of a page, first click the thumbnail for the page you want to check. This selects the page and makes sure the next action applies to the right one. Now, right-click directly on that thumbnail. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click usually counts as a right click. On some devices, you might need to hold down the Control key while clicking. The key is to open the context menu for the thumbnail itself, not the canvas area. When the menu opens, look at the information shown. At the top, you'll see the page title. Directly below that, you'll see the dimensions of the page. These dimensions might appear in pixels, inches, or millimeters, depending on your design and settings. For example, something like 1080 by 1080 means your page is a square layout in pixels, which is typical for many social media posts. If you see inches or millimeters, that's common for print projects such as flyers and documents. This view is simply informational. It doesn't change your page. It just tells you exactly how big it is. If you don't see the dimensions right away, double check that you right-clicked on the thumbnail, not on the main canvas. The dimensions are tied to the thumbnail's menu. Also, if your thumbnails seem out of view, try scrolling the bottom panel or slightly zooming out in the editor so the thumbnails are visible, and that's it. Open your project, click the page thumbnail, right-click it, and read the dimensions shown just beneath the title in the menu. This quick check helps you confirm you're working at the correct size before exporting or sending your design for review or print. Keep this in mind as a routine step, especially when working across different templates or collaborating with others. It's a small habit that saves time and prevents size mismatches later.